back to the Kelly's Family Kitchen. Today we're going to make a key lime pie. And we're going to make our crust first with 12 pieces of graham crackers squished up, or 1.5 cups of your crumbs. And I'm going to use 8 packages of equal, or if you want to do sugar, you could do 1/3 of a cup. And I'm going to put it in there like that, and we're just going to combine all this together. Now we're going to have 5 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter, and we're going to stir that in. And it's going to be melted slightly cool. We want it all to incorporate to make a crust out of it. Alright, so now that all the crumbs are moistened, we're going to throw it in a pie plate. And then we're just going to spread it out and make it come up to the sides, and do the sides first. Would be a lot easier. Okay, so now we got it all pressed down and firmly packed. We're going to put it in a preheated oven for 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 cup of lime juice that's freshly squeezed. And we're going to have 2 cans of sweet condensed milk. Add 5 egg yolks. And we're going to whisk it all together. Okay, there's our pie crust that we just got out of the oven. And our fillings right here, we're going to let that cool down, and then we'll pour this in here. And then we'll take it to the next step. Okay, once that's cooled down, we're going to spread this out evenly. Okay, so now we got it there, and we're going to stick it back in the oven, that preheated oven. It's 350 degrees, 15 minutes. Okay, to make our meringue, we're going to have 5 egg whites. And we're going to slowly start beating this first. 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to slowly add our sugar in. That's just 3/4 cup sugar. Until it gets good and stiff, and then we're about 5 minutes. And a pinch of salt. Okay, here's our stiff meringue. We're just waiting for our pie to come out of the oven. We got about 4 more minutes. Okay, so now we're going to add the meringue, and we're going to cook it just a little longer. Let this meringue get brown. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes more, depends on whenever these meringue gets good and golden brown. Okay, so now that meringue on top, we're going to stick it back in this oven again. Okay, here we got our finished product, the key lime meringue pie. Alright, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Oh, the final product.